everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to multiple songs, but from the same film. This is Hridayam and I have reacted to only one song from this movie, Darshana, which was a huge hit and it's a really nice song. But they have subsequently released many songs. So I'm going to react to all of them at one go. I thought it made more sense. So let's see. So this a song which like literally came a day back. It's called Thataka Tetare. Tataka Teitare. That's the name of the song. So that's one song. There is another song called Onaka Muntari. So that's another song. That's the second song. Third song is third song is Kural Kekutta. That's the third song, and the fourth song is Arike Ninna. So these are the four songs which the team of Hridayam has released. Though Arike Ninna has a video also. No, is this a video? Because there's a lyric video and there's another video. So I'll see which one is the actual video. Because all of them have, most of them, I think all of them have the subtitles. They do. So I'm going to start with the latest one, which is called Thataka Tetare. Tataka Tetare. Tataka Tetare. So yes, let's start. So let me see, and it's nice because if I'm listening to all the songs at one go, it'll be easier for me to sort of compare which I like more, which I like less, and all of that. Which is your favorite song out of all the 5 songs that have released? Please let me know. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. Let us begin. Subtitles, yes. I'll look at the credits at the end, like after the song gets over. Okay, let's start.
I'm quitting soon, man. I hate engineering.
നീ പാടി രക്ഷപ്പെടും.
Starting music is nice. Is it like an engineering anthem? Okay.
എന്നെ ക്ഷീണ പോയത് രണ്ടെണ്ണം അടിച്ചാലോ? ക്യാഷ് ഇല്ലേ? ആരെങ്കിലും ഇല്ലേ? ഇല്ലല്ലേ? വഴി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
കാണാനാവാതെ കേൾക്കാനാവാതെ എങ്ങോ പോകുന്നു ഏതോ വഴിയോരം താനെ മാറുന്നു ഞാൻ എന്നെ മാറുന്നു താനും മാറുന്നു എല്ലാം മാറുന്നു.
It's a vibe, this song. Wait! This was Prithviraj? Is it releasing on 21st? Oh, I didn't realize that here in the title Prithviraj was written. I was so concentrating on the pronouncing the title correctly. Tataka Teitare. Tataka Teitare. That's, oh, this was, I was gonna just say after, like I was waiting for the song to get over to say that I love how how beautifully it has been sung. Just the mood, just to set the mood. It's like a vibe. You have to just forget everything and vibe to the song. Oh, this is Prithviraj's voice. Is this the first time I'm hearing him sing? I think so. Hey, oh, I mean, yeah. Oh, I like this. This was nice. This was like fun, chill. Don't think too much, and it's like a nice. I think this will be a hit with the student engineering community. That me being belonging from that community as well. But it's like, yeah, but I don't know. I feel that this is like the scene where they're literally selling off their engineering books for alcohol. Is it true? Men, dudes, please let me know. I mean, at least this didn't happen in my hostel. That I can assure you. This didn't happen in my hostel. So, yeah. And this is, who was composer? Hisham. So he's the composer. But it's mixed and mastered by somebody else. Yeah, it's mixed and mastered by somebody. But composer is, of course, Hisham Abdul Wahib. But I think the bigger surprise for me was Prithviraj. So overall, this was a nice chill song. I think, in fact, it's not just a vibe. It's a really nice song which you can listen to while driving also, because of like how breezy and just chill it sounds basically. So I'll give you like my final thoughts at the end, because I want to listen to first all the songs. So I enjoyed this song a lot. And the next one that I'm going to be listening to is Onakka Munthiri. So looking at the thumbnail, Pranav Mohanlal is looking very shy in this, and let's see. So this has Pranav, Kalyani. Okay, so Kalyani is there in this. So it's their song, I'm guessing. Who has sung this? Let me just see before getting shocked. So this is sung by Divya Vineet and lyrics are by Vineet Srinivasan. So let's listen to this song. I want to know your ranking. Include Darshana also in that. Before I play this, between Darshana and this, of course, Darshana is a very different mood and vibe, but I think Darshana, I loved it in first instance. The beats are really nice. This is more vibe. So if I compare song to song, because now I've listened to Darshana so much that I like Darshana more, but not that Tataka Tindara is not a good song. But if I have to just compare it right away, I would pick Darshana.
ഇത്ര കാറ്റ് വേണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല.
ഓണക്കമുന്തിരി പറക്ക പറക്ക മടുക്കുവോളം തിന്നുക്കെ തിന്നുക്കെ തേങ്ങ കൊത്തൊന്ന് കൊറിക്ക കൊറിക്ക വെത്തലും പാക്കും ചവയ്ക്ക ചവയ്ക്ക പന്തല് മുഴുവൻ തിരക്ക തിരക്ക പെണ്ണ് ജക്കനും വേർക്ക വേർക്ക പെണ്ണിന്റെ മൊഞ്ച് കണ്ടോക്കിയ കണ്ടോക്കിയ ജക്കന്റെ പത്രാസ് കണ്ടോക്കിയ കണ്ടോക്കിയ പെണ്ണും ജക്കനും കെട്ടും കഴിഞ്ഞ് നടന്നു വരുമ്പോ ചിരിക്ക ചിരിക്ക പെണ്ണും ജക്കനും കെട്ടും കഴിഞ്ഞ് നടന്നു വരുമ്പോ ചിരിക്ക ചിരിക്ക ഓണക്കമുന്തിരി മടുക്കുവോളം തേങ്ങ കൊത്തൊന്ന് വെത്തലും പാക്കും ചവയ്ക്ക ചവയ്ക്ക
Very well composed.
പന്തലും മുഴുവൻ തിരക്ക തിരക്ക പെണ്ണും ജക്കനും വേർക്ക വേർക്ക പെണ്ണിന്റെ മൊഞ്ച് കണ്ടോക്കിയ കണ്ടോക്കിയ ജക്കന്റെ പത്രാസ് കണ്ടോക്കിയ കണ്ടോക്കിയ പെണ്ണും ജക്കനും കെട്ടും കഴിഞ്ഞ് നടന്നു വരുമ്പോ ചിരിക്ക ചിരിക്ക പെണ്ണും ജക്കനും നടന്നു വരുമ്പോ ചിരിക്ക ചിരിക്ക
lyrics were very cute.
ഓണക്കമുന്തിരി
Onakamundari. So, oh, Onakamundari, dried grapes. Onakamundari means dried grapes. Before I stop this, you know what? Before I comment on the song, you know, I feel this would have happened, like this encounter between Pranav and Kalyani over here is their first meeting. I think when they say goodbye, when Darshana and Pranav say goodbye to each other, that in that glimpse thing, you saw that they are saying goodbye and all of that, and then they meet after that. Like he meets her then after that. Okay. This is like after engineering got over. So this is more, so makes sense because I'm guessing eventually he marries her only. He marries Kalyani, and that's why the entire song is like between. It actually gives you an image of a wedding going on and what is happening like in the wedding. Did you see the bride's beauty? Did you see the groom and all of that? And the hall is overcrowded. So the lyrics are pretty cute, but it basically tells their love story in a way that yes, they fall in love, they become committed to each other, and then they eventually want to marry each other, and then they tie the knot, and they're very happy about it. So that entire kind of imagery is sort of shown with the song, and the song also sounds like a wedding song, something that would play in a wedding in which you would dance. So I think, you know what, with all the three songs, this is why I remembered when you guys told me that there would be I think 14 or 15 songs in this movie. I was very, very excited because then, you know, with 15 songs you actually get an opportunity to show off the variety and the range of your, you know, as a music director. So, and I can see the range in 3 songs. I can see definitely the range in 3 songs because Darshana is a song which has a completely different mood and soul. It sounds very raw. This one is totally like a weddingy song. And then the one which I just listened to is like a very college kind of song which would definitely be played in a hostel. Like, I don't know, like this one, Onakamundari, you're not going to play in your hostel and dance to it. Maybe you would, I don't know. But there is a much bigger chance that you would play the previous song and vibe to it more. But overall, with the visuals, you can get a glimpse of the story also. Oh, I'm actually waiting because I know for sure that there's going to be like a sad song also in this. So I want to see how that pans out. Wow. This was also enjoyable. Wow, this actually is giving me a lot of variety. So that was Onakamundari. Before that, I reacted to it. I forgot the name again. Tataka Teitare. Yes. Then the next one is Kural Ke Kutta. Though I'm a little surprised because this one does not have so many views. Like Darshana has the maximum views, but this song and Arik and Inna, they don't have too much like viewership. So are they not good songs? Though of course, I mean, yeah, views are just one single parameter because I think your taste in music is very, very subjective, I feel. So let's listen to the last 2 songs also, and then I will finally give you my overall thoughts. Okay. So we move on to the third one, but this does not have subtitles. Oh, this is a tribute video. Okay. We at Think Music have put together this tribute video to celebrate Namma Chennai with this beautiful song. Okay. Guys, context. Okay, so this is not a... So this is going to be about the city, I'm guessing. This is just a tribute to the city, like you have songs about Mumbai also. So this is about Chennai. Well, that'll be interesting. Even so, I'm guessing that this is not part of the film. Oh, but I want to see, even if it's not part of the film. So it's going to be about Chennai. I wish this had subtitles. For someone who wants to know about Chennai.
குரல் கேட்குதா வந்தோரை வாழ வைக்கும் தமிழ் தாயின் குரல் கேட்குதா அழைக்கின்றதா கல்லூரி சாலை உன்னை மலர் தூவி அழைக்கின்றதா இளமை துள்ளும் நெஞ்சமே வானம் எல்லை இல்லை இது தீராத ஆசை காலமே குரல் கேட்குதா
குரல்
கேட்குதா அழைக்கின்றதா குரல் கேட்குதா
There's that aquarium kind of thing.
வாழ வைக்கும் தமிழ் தாயின் குரல் கேட்குதா அச்சம் வேண்டாம் கதவுகள் திற வெற்றி வேண்டும் கவலையை மற இந்த சாலையோரம் நீ வர பரபர நீ வர
Chennai Super Kings.
அச்சம் வேண்டாம் கதவுகள் திற வெற்றி வேண்டும் கவலையை நீ வர பரபர நீ வர சிறகுகள் ஆயிரம்
Ooh, yummy. Yeah, this is a nice song. Should have been subtitled.
அச்சம் வேண்டாம் கதவுகள் திற வெற்றி வேண்டும் கவலையை நீ மற இந்த சாலையோரம் நீ வர பரபர
I'm enjoying the visuals.
ஆயிரம் அச்சம் வேண்டாம் கதவுகள் திற வெற்றி வேண்டும் கவலையை நீ மற பரபர நீ வர சிறகுகள் ஆயிரம்
So, it ends like that? What? Na, 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 na. So, I'm guessing this is not part of the film. But I enjoyed the song. They should have subtitled, even though it's not part of the film, they could have subtitled it. I want to know what the singer was singing about Chennai. I have not explored Chennai too much, but whenever I have been there, I have enjoyed my stay. Though I used to always like Chennai has been my airport halt for a long time when I used to go to Pondicherry from Chennai. So I used to fly to Chennai and then go to Pondicherry. Okay, so this is sung by Unni Menon. All right, but Kural Kekuta, I mean, what does that mean? Kural Kekuta. But I think I would have loved to see, understand the lyrics also, because it's giving me a glimpse into the city. And for somebody who wants to, know a song, know a city through a song, this was a nice window. This is a nice window to show. So no problem. Though I enjoyed the visuals. I couldn't recognize the places because, like I said, I've really not explored Chennai. Except I could recognize the airport. Welcome to Chennai Airport. That I know. But other than that, yes, not so much. But I actually enjoyed the song. I'm a little disappointed that this is not going to be in the movie. I'm a little disappointed with that. Now, the fourth one, before I give you my final thoughts. So one is the lyric video, Arik and Enna, and I don't know which is this the audio? Let me just see. This has the subtitles though, but this is, I think, this is just the audio. The lyric, so I'm going to react to the lyric video. So let's watch this song as well. Before I watch this, who has sung this song? Oh, by Job Korean. After a long time, I think I'm going to listen to a Job Korean song. Like literally, I think after eons. Okay. Oh, now I'm excited. Wow. I like his voice. Oh, the flute. Give me flute and piano and I'm sold.
അരികെ നിന്ന നിഴൽ പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു ഇരുൾ പടരുമ്പോൾ മിഴി നിറയുന്നോ കൺമുന്നിൽ ഈ ഭൂഗോളം മറുദിശ തിരിയുകയോ ദിനരാത്രമെന്ന പടി ഞാൻ നടന്ന വഴിമുള്ളാൽ നിറയുകയോ അകമേ തെളിഞ്ഞ ചെറുപൊൻചിറാതു പടുതിരിയായാളുകയോ അടരാതെ ചേർന്നു തുടരാൻ കൊതിച്ചതൊരു പാഴ്കഥയാവുകയോ അരികെ നിന്ന നിഴൽ പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു ഇരുൾ പടരുമ്പോൾ മിഴി നിറയുന്നോ
Yes! This song! I'm sorry, I'm pausing. This one. I would forget. Oh my god, just from the get-go, I loved the sound of this song. And then I was just wondering, like, what kind of beat drop this song is gonna have. We're gonna run that back again, guys. I loved it. Just the beginning flute and piano, and then he starts singing, and then there's the way the build up is happening. I was like, this is very different. I have not heard this kind of sound before. I love it. And then I think you have already guessed which one is my favorite now. All this sargam. Oh, fantastic. Loved it. This is the sad song.
പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു ഇരുൾ പടരുമ്പോൾ മിഴി നിറയുന്നോ കൺമുന്നിൽ ഈ ഭൂഗോളം മറുദിശ തിരിയുകയോ ദിനരാത്രമെന്ന പടി ഞാൻ നടന്ന വഴിമുള്ളാൽ നിറയുകയോ അകമേ തെളിഞ്ഞ ചെറുപൊൻചിറാതു പടുതിരിയായാളുകയോ
He's sounding also really good.
തുടരാൻ കൊതിച്ചതൊരു പാഴ്കഥയാവുകയോ അരികെ നിന്ന നിഴൽ പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു ഇരുൾ പടരുമ്പോൾ മിഴി നിറയുന്നോ
Oh, yes. I like pop rock. Oh, nice. Wow.
ഈ വേനൽ വെയിൽ ചൂടേറ്റിടും നിന്മാനസം കാറ്റേൽക്കയും
I love the lyrics also.
പൊരുൾ തേടണം സ്വയം വേദപൂർവരാഗമീ കാതുകൾ തലോടിലും കേൾപ്പതെന്ന പരമാത്മഭൂതമാം പ്രണാരവം
Oh,
അരികെ നിന്ന നിഴൽ പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു
wow.
ഇരുൾ പടരുമ്പോ മിഴി നിറയുന്നോ കൺമുന്നിൽ ഈ ഭൂഗോളം മറുദിശ തിരിയുകയോ ദിനരാത്രമെന്ന പടി ഞാൻ നടന്ന വഴി മുള്ളാൽ നിറയുകയോ അരികെ നിന്ന നിഴൽ പോലും ഇന്നു മറയുന്നു ഇരുൾ പടരുന്നു
Yes, this one. Fantastic. This, I love pop rock. I love pop rock. Oh man. Oh, this takes the cake. I'm really sad that this does not cross million views yet. Unfair. Unfair. How come? Huh? People didn't like the song that much? People didn't like the song that much? It could be possible. It could be possible. I mean, just because I like the song too much doesn't mean that everybody else, rest of them, have to agree with my choice. But okay, wow. So that concludes me listening to. I think I've caught up with all the songs of Hridayam now. Out of the 4 that I listened right now, okay, let me include Darshana also. My preferential ranking. I love this one. I think I like it more than Darshana for some reason. I'm adding this to my playlist. Just the way Job Korean, just that pain. This is just a lyric video. We can just see stills of Pranav Mohanlal, that animation, beautiful animation done. Couple of stills from the film, but essentially he is literally like become a Devdas over here in this particular song or situation whenever the song is happening. Absolutely well modulated, like his voice modulation, and I think his vocals fit so well with the kind of composition this song has in the pop rock genre. Oh, it's pop rock with a little bit sprinkle of classical also, with that flute. You know, it's not very easy to create a nice fusion song which captures the emotions. Look how fast. What I love about the song is that look how fast and energetic the song is in terms of its tempo, and yet it's painful. I know the meaning of the lyrics, that's different because of course the subtitles are there, but just the way, I want to compliment Job Korean over here because just the way he sung it, I could feel the pain. So even if, so he's crying and he's howling in frustration. So this is like another kind of sad song which I like, where it's not mellow. It is painful, but it's loud. You know, sometimes it happens that when you are sad, you either want to block everything out and you just surround yourself with noise. This is that situation. And the other side is when you are sad, you want to let all your emotions out and be with yourself and just, you know, just deal with it basically. This is sort of like blocking the situation, like, you know, you're surrounding yourself with noise and you know you're sad, you know you have to eventually deal with it, but it's just like a temporary break you're putting. that this is the vibe that the song gives you. Oh, love it. I love this song. So for me, this definitely comes number 1. The ranking has changed. Darshana goes into second position. I don't think I should put Kural Ke Kurta, because that's like more like a tribute song. So I'm gonna leave that out. Though I really like that song. I really like that song. So but still, it's not part of the film. So Arike Ninna, then Darshana. I think the third one I would pick is the song sung by Prithvi Raj, which is called Tataka Teitare. Tataka Teitare. And the fourth, even though it's a nice song, still it's a very, very situational kind of song. Onnaka Muntari, Dried Grapes. It's a very, very situational song. Like if it plays in a wedding, I would definitely jam to it. But I don't think I'll like listen to it on my own. Like I wouldn't like go all out of the way on my playlist and I will type out Onnaka Muntari and then play it. Though it's a fun song. It's a fun song. I'm not saying it's not a fun song, but yeah, my preference would be that I would go out of my way and play a song like Arike Ninna. That's more my jam. So yes, those were the songs. I think I'm all caught up listening to Hridayam songs, and I don't know if it's actually now releasing on later this month. What is the news on that? Please let me know, because so many releases have gotten sort of delayed. So that's why. So yes, with that, I will end the reaction here, guys. Definitely let me know your preferential sort of ranking of all the songs that have released. I would love to read them in the comments and why you like that song. And yes, with that, I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and yep, I will sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.